Seriously! That was really inappropriate.
Oh my god.
You think this looks like a sheep? Why are you petting it like that? Welcome to the comment section. We haven't done one of these in a while. We're not giving this an episode number. We're just gonna call it the All-Star Edition. I'm taking a step back. I'm going behind the camera with my boy Jason, and we are gonna let team members read off the most ridiculous comments.
You eat dog crap for breakfast, geek. You mix your weenies with your mama's toe jam. Yeah!
A lot of these you guys have never even seen from the last, like 18 months. So we've got Kevin in town from Texas. We've got Brock here, Steph. These innocent folks are gonna read the worst comments. The majority of these comments are about either myself or the fact that people think that we don't actually give away the trucks.
How is this not a pyramid scheme?
All right, let me explain again.
Without further ado, I think we need to start with the sweetest, but the most innocent person here at Ronin Factory. And she needs no introduction because I just said that introduction. You all know who it is. So Steph, clap her in. I'm going to move and you're going to sit here. Just give me a second. I got to do a shout out to our sponsors, okay? Shout out to our sponsors, us, Ronin Factory, high-low t-shirt. Steph, you totally ruined it. Whatever. Okay, Steph, here you go. Hold this.
Hater number 1. Again, this is from a hater. This guy looks like a I hate that word. Why did you say that? Comment from hater number 2. Dude looks like a lady, a very weird lady. You don't look like a lady. Bro, I'll beat your ass. Okay, that's the only throw I'll say. Can you bleep that out though, Jason?
Yeah, of course. Gosh, leave it out.
From hater number 4. Your ad is worse than a vegan chicken BS. What does that mean? I hope you get hit by a bus? What? Josh, I want you to live.
Some of these are really...
Oh my gosh. I feel like there is some good vegan chicken out there.
Ooh, it's just a little dry. It's fine.
Should have left it stock TBH ... This kind of looks like a bag of smashed A-word. I already said it once. I can't say it again. Dude's hair looks like 3 packs of ramen noodles. Okay, that was kind of funny. This ad give me the... Beat me! Seriously!
Y'all like that scrawny little Shakira hairdo? What a Felix Nito Jr. said that. Who the is that guy? Who the is this guy?
No, damn well who I am.
Never trust with hair like that and skinny jeans. You probably drink White Claws and sit down when he pees. I was trying to correct for his grammar. Can I try again? This is written improperly. I drink June shot. What are those? Leggings with stuffed pockets? Oh, because they're skinny. Yeah. I can't say this in front of Kate. I'm dead serious. I can't say this in front of Kate. Eat a and shove your gimmick up your ass. Oh look, another clickbait giveaway with some millennial douchebag that needs a haircut claiming you could be the next winner. Blah, 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 blah. Give this ad, give me the soft PP. Lost my in a firework accident. Give me truck, please. Do you think that's true? Sorry about that. Mom, Dad, my boss made me do this.
Okay, we all go together or we go one at a time.
Are we bleeping things out or not? This person's name is awful. Hair nerd. Bye. Was that too aggressive?
Go back to guarding Belle in a castle with talking clocks and teapots, bro. This guy's perfect, amazing, and surprisingly masculine, yet also confusingly feminine locks piss me off. I hope his beautiful hair gets caught in a desk fan and is ripped from his annoyingly friendly face. He probably only uses body wash for his hair and face, and looks like this while I have to spend money to still look ugly. Bro, you gotta change up that hair. You looking real stupid.
I'm a child. Get a haircut and buy some pants made for a man. Literally hate this guy immediately. Would never use, buy, or even give away anything touched by this. If he spent half as much time on leg day than he did washing his hair, ...
Do you know you're supposed to work out your lower body, too?
Dude, where's my ball? I lifted legs this morning just because of this comment. Shoot him.
Never trust with hair like that and skinny jeans. You probably drink White Claws and sits down when he pees. I mean, dude, sitting down's not the worst thing.
I sit down when I pee. There's nothing that crazy about me.
It's comfy. You don't drop your phone in the toilet. There's lots of benefits. Bro, I'll beat your ass. I'll beat your ass so bad.
I'm 10 years old, but I'll beat your ass.
Eat a dick and shove your gimmick up your ass. Oh look, another clickbait giveaway with some millennial douchebag that needs a haircut claiming you could be the next winner, blah, 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 blah. Get f***ed. That's such an aggressive way to end that. This ad gives me the soft pee-pee. That's how you said it last time.
Dude looks like the stoned Tarzan. Me smoke, you pass. What is this? Trailer Park Aquaman?
Oh my gosh, my favorite one! Aquaman!
This ad gave me the soft pee-pee. Is that the same one? Cut your dumb hair or grab a purse.
We have a current giveaway that's about to hit. How many entries, guys? The most multiplier we've ever done. 4 times entries, July 4th and 5th. So if you're a hater, be a lover. Sapoodle! Sapoodle the Warriors!